I think the hardline stance has been viewed as being arbitrary. And I can give you an example of the businesses that were accepting the Zim dollar before the introduction of the ZIG, with the firm promise that they would access USDs from the auction market before it was disbanded. Unfortunately, now they are sitting on an arbitrary decision which made them to wait for 2 years. That the outstanding auction funds have now been housed somewhere, and the businesses have been asked to wait for 2 years. They will receive a paper. Some have, I don't know how many, but a lot have not received the paper, the treasury bill, or whatever name it can be given. So I would like to believe that such policy-making initiatives are the ones that then would ordinarily dissipate the confidence within the business community. Because if someone religiously were accepting the Zimbabwe dollar on the back of the promise that they would get funding from the auction, and then tomorrow they wake up to a new policy altogether that does not even engage them, that does not accommodate them, but a policy that is simply telling them to wait for 2 years. Who can wait for 2 years in such an environment? Remember, banks have been complaining about the transitory deposits. Why? Because it takes a lot of confidence building for the people then to begin to take their money to the bank for it to be kept for a longer period than essentially is happening right now. So it is exactly the same situation like what has happened, because the same people, the same businesses are the ones that are enforced to accept the ZIG. Unfortunately, on the back of a 2-year waiting period of, it affected their cash flow of their money that is now housed elsewhere with the...
Konapo, ipapo, ba ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.